Hey, what's going on everyone? Today I will show you how you can push a dent even if it has laminated glass or double window or however you want to call it. What this is, the laminated glass, it's basically two layers of glass and you can get that on the side windows. And this breaks really fast, really easy if you push on it. So I'm gonna show you how you can still push on it without breaking it. Hey, welcome back. If you are someone who is also struggling with laminated windows, you're gonna wanna watch this till the end. So I came across on a Volvo that had all four laminated windows. What are laminated windows? So laminated glass or double window glass, see, you can identify here. See, it's one window, then something in between, and another part of the window here. So basically it's two windows laminated together, and this, if you push on the edge, is gonna break real fast. That's why you have to be really careful when working on them. You can break them so fast and they are expensive. Now I had here a big dent on the body line. I just finished it. It still has some this spot left. I couldn't reach it with my rod, and I was super scared while pushing, because it was honestly my first time doing it. So what I did here, and what you need to do here, is you need to take out the molding 100%. You need to leave a window open up a bit. That way you're not gonna push on the edge. You're gonna basically push in the center of the window. And what you need is this. Most needed tool is this. It's not a regular window guard. It's the PDR Finesse Tools window guard. So this thing is super thick and very well padded. Look, it almost doesn't bend at all. So this thing will save your windows. I put this inside. I'm careful with this. Very carefully here, and I use this wedge. I want it to be straight, no bumps, because I want as little pressure as possible. And I pushed it here slowly. Pushed it in slowly so I can just make enough separation that I can fit my tool in. You don't want something that will create a lot of separation, because you don't want to risk breaking the window. And the tool I used was this little red from A1. It has nice sharp tip at the end, and it was a nasty body line dent. I didn't want to risk any more pushing that I need to. So I mean, I can go on and on pushing that, but I don't want to risk breaking that window, man. I was really scared with every push I did. On the same car, also on the rear, it's double laminated glass. So I'll be taking this off. I have a really tiny dent right over here to fix. But I'll be doing the same process. This out first. Window stays like this, and carefully push with PDR Finesse window guard. It's a must. I hope this was helpful. Please press the like button, hit the subscribe button for more PDR related content. And if you have a different way, or you know any other different tips of pushing on laminated glass, please comment down below. Let me know how you do it, because I want to learn as well. Take care, guys.